Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're in beautiful Bear Valley here in California.
And this is how to make a big snowman. You make a snow. You're making a snowman?
Yeah.
How?
With these little tiny balls.
And then they turn huge?
Yeah.
Really?
Look at it.
It's not working for me. I don't know how to do it.
I'll start one and it gets easier. You gotta push down a little bit, but keep it in a circle still. There you go.
I wanna try. How did you make that with one tiny ball?
Baby, watch out. I need the fresh powder.
You mean the fresh snow?
Yeah.
Wait, let go. I want to see how big it is. Oh my god. Can I try?
When it gets bigger, it's easier to roll it. So you could do it when it starts getting bigger. I promise it's a lot easier. You just want to push it down a little bit. Also keep it turning.
I want to try it right now.
Hold on, a little bit more. Daddy's being greedy.
Mine keeps getting smaller.
Hold on, one more, or a couple more. Okay, now all you need to do is watch. Go to this top of the hill and push it down the hill. Let it roll down the hill, but you got to control it now. There you go. Let it roll down the hill. Use gravity, baby. There you go. But not so fast. It's got to go slow. You got to control it.
That one's already giant.
That one's doing pretty good. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna go make snowballs. Don't touch mine.
Or mine.
We're making this a snowman.
Let me do it. I want to do it.
I made it bigger.
No, I got to get it bigger so it stays together. See, I'm pushing down and turning at the same time.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
Okay, you can have it now.
That's no point. It's the head.
No. You could do the belly.
Huh?
You could do the belly.
How?
Make it giant. We could put that one in the middle. I'll just make this one bigger. We could do a giant snowman. Hell yeah.
Now look at what I did.
This thing's getting hella heavy though. No. It's never done.
Another margarita.
Okay. What's up? Okay, you're good. You're gonna have to move it up here. Then we'll be done. This one's getting too heavy for me. Oh. Oh. I've never had a problem with them being too heavy. Whoa.
Put it on here. There's more of this fresh stuff.
I'm doing it. Why are you moving it backwards?
Yeah, I thought we were stopping right
Oh,
here.
right here? This is perfect. We'll take a picture this way.
Is that the head or that's the belly?
Whatever's bigger when it gets here, right?
Come on. I think hers is going to be bigger. Go start looking for carrots. It doesn't have to be a carrot.
Could be a stick. Come here, I need your guys' help.
Look, I found a carrot.
I need your help. Gee.
You made it. You lifted it.
You made it.
Well, duh.
I'm on record, right? I'm recording.
I don't know, but go.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
right.
Before I lose the energy to lift this. Just want to make sure you record your
Stop. Stop, don't touch it.
madness.
Carrot.
It's going to fall.
It is.
Me too.
So we gotta put the head.
I made the bottom of this flat so that it would stay.
Now I need 2 little rocks.
Here, this is
Where's the bottom?
Carrot.
This is the bottom?
Hold it, okay? The head's right here, but let's put it on first.
I might be able to get it.
But where's the eye?
Are you gonna get it?
You're gonna help me. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you got it all. And what?
No, right here.
Right there? Okay, now let's leave it alone.
Go get arms and eyes.
It's like human sized. You guys look exhausted.
Yeah, that's why we should go get a margarita.
Hello.
You should place your face in the
You guys
snow.
look exhausted.
I know that.
Oh, you can do an intro right here.